Hello students, today we are going to discuss about IELTS Academic Task 1. So for getting good bands in Task 1, it is important for us to know only few tips and tricks. Okay, so before you start your report writing, which means Task 1, it is important for us to keep one thing in your mind that we have to make only 4 paragraphs in Task 1. So start with the introduction. In introduction, we have to paraphrase the question, which means we have to paraphrase each and every word which is given in question. Then in overall, we have to write, we can say that relevant part or important feature which is given in chart. Okay. So if you will get pie chart or bar graph, try to write their trends. For example, the trends of 7 countries, 8 countries, or if you will get something table or line graph, then talk about their highest and lowest percentile. In body paragraph 1, try to write highest, lowest and similar features which is given in chart. And then in body paragraph 2, try to write rest feature. Thank you.